How to fix WhatsApp not installing from Play Store on Android. If you are facing this kind of issue on installing WhatsApp application on your Android phone, then do watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you learn how to do it. Without much ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to exit from Play Store on your Android phone and you need to ensure that you have enough storage space on your device. For that, open Settings on your Android phone, scroll down and locate the option for storage. If you don't find directly, you can also search using the search bar at top of the screen, or else scroll down, open About Device, tap Storage. Here you will see out of 128 GB, we have 127 GB covered. So in order to clear the space, you can easily open particular applications and clean up the storage of our Android device. Once done, you need to proceed towards installing WhatsApp. If the issue does not persist, then you need to update your Android operating system. For that, open Settings again, tap on the search bar, type in Updates. You will see the list of different kinds of updates while searching for updates. So, you need to locate the option for Software Update. Open Software Updates. If you see any updates, then you need to install if any available. But as you can see that I have the latest version of my Android operating system, so I don't need to do that. The third step is you need to clear cache and data of Google Play Store. So locate Google Play Store, tap and hold the app. Now tap I button. On this app info piece of Google Play Store, tap storage uses and clear all the cache so that different kinds of glitches and bugs will be removed from the Google Play Store. And this will help us to install different kinds of application like WhatsApp in few seconds. Other step you need to follow is to reboot your device. For that, pull on your power button and you will see the restart button. Tap on the slider and you need to slide towards upward and restart your device. Also, at last, if none of the steps work for you, then you need to go and contact WhatsApp support for further assistance. And after that, WhatsApp will help us to fix the WhatsApp not installing from Play Store on Android issue. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.